In some more sad injury news, this time coming out of East Rutherford and Jerry Robin, we have an update from his wife. If you missed this in qualifying, he had a pretty bad crash and was transported to the local hospital. And coming from his wife, saying or said he was currently in surgery and details on the extent of his injuries have not been released. So hopefully, knock on wood, uh, we will have an update sometime soon and it won't be horribly bad. Hopefully, it will be going on the good side. But she did post saying, "Thank you everyone for reaching out. Jerry is in surgery still, and I will share an update as soon as I can. And please continue to pray." Obviously, this is sad. Qualifying, you never want to see anybody get hurt in general, especially not in a part that wasn't even a point playing. That's not exactly that it matters any worse than or more than any other time in the race, but for something like this, you never want to see anybody get seriously hurt ever, especially when they're taken directly to a hospital and put into surgery. That doesn't normally bode well. So, again, knock on wood. Hopefully, it is not horrible. I don't know how you want to say it. It doesn't sound great, but that's the. Hopefully, it's good. Hopefully, it's a minor thing and it's fixed and you can heal up and be perfectly fine. But as I hear any updates from this or anything about it, I will keep you guys updated too. Comment down below, go to his Instagram, whatever, or hers, and share some, spread some joy. I don't know, that's not the right word for it, but give some good wishes, whatever it is. But